Greg Ehmann with Keller Williams Arizona Realty. Got a special property for you to take a quick look at. Enjoy. Hey, I just want to take a moment to thank you for taking a look at this video for me. And if you're interested in the home, call me right away. If you think you have somebody else that might be interested in it, please feel free to pass this video along to them. And if you would like a video like this for your house, please feel free to contact me at any time. Greg Ehmann, Keller Williams, Arizona Realty. Thank you so much.